Hey guys, I just want to show you how to add your credit page and your terms of use or your copyright page and not have to watch the whole video on how to actually make those. So once you have them made, you're going to add a new slide and you can do it one of two ways. So you can go to design, format background, insert from a file and add your cover. And I'm just adding the one that goes with this. It is going to be too big because it's a square, so it's not going to fit right. So you go, if you just do edit undo, which is Control Z, it will like fit it better. It kind of looks a little distorted, but once somebody buys your product, they're not going to care. Also, this product, I just happen to have the transparency up, so that's why I had to change the transparency, but you'll not have to do that unless you can move it or whatever. So you could do it like that, or you could. Oh, sorry. I gotta change. I don't know if it'll go away. Okay, there we go. Or you could go like this and just make the background white and um or like how it normally is. You don't have to make it white, and then insert a picture and then add in the thing. Now mine is white, so it kind of like looks like it makes sense, but yours might have like a blue background or a wood background. So it's up to you how you want to do it. You could do it either of which way. Um, it really doesn't matter. Then when you want to add in your credit page, you also are going to insert a new slide. And then for this, you do want to add it as your background. So design, format background, then go to from a file. I keep it in my cover, so it's just easier to get to. And then I have it right there. Again, the transparency thing won't be an issue. When I'm making products, I keep my terms of use long and tall up. This, I was using that for something, but anyways, that's usually not there. So you click and drag, copy, go back, and there you have it. So you can't move this part, but people can click on those if they need it, and that is how you do it. Bye.